Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at just a few examples of the MaTech or MaTech, depending how you pronounce it, backup iron sights. So I already have these out of the packaging, and we also are going to take a look at the Forward Controls Design RKM Retrofit Kit for MaTech for AR systems as well. But the packaging typically has this sort of cover sheet here. You see here range up to 600 meters, an example of it deployed, and the logos and kind of an illustration background. Nothing on this side. The back of the packaging has this, the Picatinny backup iron sight, and a little bit of the feature description, stock photography, and a little bit more product information there. On this side are the instructions. So pretty easy. So I've got a few examples here. This one is stock, and some of them actually have a little bit of different labeling on them. This one actually has a Picatinny logo with the gates on there. This one does not, but other than that, the feature set is identical. So actually, let's continue looking at this one. Here you can see the way it deploys. You push up, it pushes past the detent. The spring will force it to flip up. Then to close it up, you would go against the spring, past the detent, and it clicks back into place. Your windage adjustments click, as well as your elevation adjustments click. And you can see here there's also a zeroing horizontal reference point as well. Again, this mounts onto a rail, Picatinny or 1913 design. I just have an example here just for your reference. So typically something like that on the back of a receiver. You see there the cross bolt and the mounting bracket as well. Single aperture, so if that is not the type of aperture you need, this sight may not be for you. And let's take a quick look at this portion now. For controls, Retrofix Kit, MaTech for AR systems. Here we have their instructions and the feature set. So it has a billet machine clamp from solid block bar, and then manganese phosphate coated, and then a grade 8 screw, which is 50% stronger than the factory screw. So if we look, this is the standard portion of the clamp. If you look at the Forward Controls Design one, you can see it's much thicker. And then their screw is knurled. And you can see here, if I were to take off the stock piece, it's flat on that side, but there's a recess on this side. So this actually sits a little bit more flush than the stock piece. So thicker clamp, recessed screw, and a little bit cleaner on the design there. Also a more distinct bolt head there as well. You can see that. So these three actually have them mounted on there, as you can see. And if we reapply the stock piece, we can get a better comparison on the differences in the features. So you can see how that slots into there. So again, you can see how that sticks out a little bit more than the FCD version. But just taking a quick look at a few different examples of the MaTech backup iron sight with the Forward Controls Design Retrofix kit from MaTech. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.